Hello everyone, this is Pamela from Design Wishes by Pamela, here to share with you some fun, quick gift ideas. I know the holidays are approaching. It's like, well, how can you say that? Where did the year go? But I know soon we'll all be scrambling trying to create some last minute holiday gifts if you're not doing that already. And if you are, kudos for you because you're going to be done before the rest of us. Anyway, short backstory. My husband's school, the school he teaches at, does a silent auction. It's an elementary school, and he brought home some notepads that one of the parents donated towards the silent auction. Anyway, he asked me if I could do something with it. Thus, I came up with three projects that will hold a notepad and also make really good gift ideas. So I hope you get inspired too. For this very first one, it's pretty simple, but the papers make it spectacular. For this project, I used S.E.I's Catalina paper collection. Not quite sure if S.E.I has this paper collection anymore. But it has beautiful foils in it. It's all double-sided. It also comes with some cut-aparts in the collection, but the papers are simply gorgeous, and that is by S.E.I. So the pad measures about 9 inches by 4 inches. I did some craft cardstock as the back cover for the holder. The pad also actually came with the magnet, so I just cut around the magnet with the cardstock so that you can still mount this. I did a pencil holder. I had some pencils in my stash. This is one of the stickers from the collection. And then I had a green coordinating metal brad. I took some yarn and made a little pull for it. It pops like that, open like that. And this is the donated pad that the parent gave. I popped up one of the sticker elements, and then I made a little pocket for just note cards. I'm going to call these note cards because it is a to-do pad. But I thought this one was fun and quick and easy, and with the beautiful papers from S.E.I's Catalina collection, it really dresses up the notepad. So that's the first one. The second pad holder, I'm calling it a folio, and you'll see why in a minute. And for this notepad folio, I use the WeR Memory Keepers stack pack. I do not even know if they sell this anymore, but I really love it because it comes with the plastic container, so it's an organizer as well. But you've got 50 sheets of double-sided 12 by 12 paper. The storage case, there's cut-aparts and there's sticker elements in this as well. So this is from WeR Memory Keepers, and this one is called Good Day Sunshine. Maybe you can still find it in the stores or online. So going back to the notepad holder, which I am calling a folio, I used some of the sticker elements for the back and the front. I used some grosgrain ribbon that I had in my ribbon collection. This paper is absolutely gorgeous. It has glitter on it. So the notepad folio opens like this. Oh, these papers are absolutely beautiful, and I'm hoping that you can see all of this layout. But let me start over here. What I did was I popped up one of the sticker elements on the inside cover, and then I made these little note tags or journaling cards or photo mats. I did kind of a zigzag pocket here on the inside flap. I really like it. It's fun. It's different than the regular traditional squared off pocket, and I really like how that looks. Makes it more fun and interesting. I had a pin. I got these pins from Staples, I believe, and they came in a set of 4 for under $3. I thought the yellow matched perfect. Here's the donated notepad from the parent. So I just put that in the center. On this side, I made two pockets. This one's just a simple straight-on pocket. Use some of the front paper that I use with the beautiful glitter on it. And then I made a tag here. On this one, I did a diagonal pocket, used a couple of the sticker elements, and then made a pocket with a little belly band here for notes and receipts or a photo. Anyway, I thought this made a really fun, quick, easy, impressive little folio for a notepad. And you can get these notepads at the dollar store. I'm not sure where the parent got hers from, but I thought this was a really cute, fun gift that you can make if you're thinking about what am I going to do for that special somebody. This one has a friend theme, so I really, really like it. Okay, the last paper pad holder, I use Kathy King's and Dee Dee Catron's Flight 2715. If you don't have this paper in your paper collection, you need to get it in there if it's still available. I simply absolutely love this paper by Kathy and Dee Dee. It is absolutely beautiful. You can get it on if it's available, you can get it on the Paper Phenomenon website. And I will put a link to Kathy's store for you. Love this paper. So this pad was a little bit larger. I picked this color scheme from the paper collection because it coordinates nicely with the paper pad that the parent donated. So the whole entire thing is made out of chipboard. And it just folds down like this. Nothing really too wow about that. And then when it opens up, the inside cover becomes a series of pockets. Again, I like to do my pockets sometimes a little differently. So you can stick receipts, photos, you can journal on them, put some notes. The pockets all go down pretty deep. And then I just left this little label up front up top, in case the person wants to jot up their own message up there. So then the paper pad holder opens up with these two flaps. And you can see how the motif on the paper pad kind of complements the papers in the Flight 2715. So then I did two pockets on each side. I made two simple journaling cards, photo mats, or note tags. And then that is it. But I really, and you can place a photo there. I did a little photo mat there because sometimes you want to put a photo of something special on your little to-do list holder. So that is the third and final quick but really charming gift that you can make out of notepads. I hope you're inspired to make your own gift out of a notepad, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much.